Well, you can catch her on karaoke night when she's had a little wine, trying to look like Dolly Parton, trying to sing like Patsy Cline. But she's forever waiting tables, she's forever just getting by, and with a voice not quite like an angel, and a smile just a little too wide. She is one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville, lost between the sawdust floor and the Opry stage. She'll never cause a stir, seems everybody knows but her. She's one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Can I have a little less guitar on the monitors, please? Thank you. Now he wears a big old cowboy hat to hide his thinning hair. He took first place 2 years running at the local county fair. He says, I'm ready for the big time, but there's a few things he don't see. Like his songs need a whole lot of working, and he can't quite sing on key. He is one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville, lost between the sawdust floor and the Opry stage. He's singing out his heart beneath the bottom of the charts. He's one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Now, when I got to this part in the song, to be honest, I thought it was pretty clever. But I thought pretty creepy too to say those things about other people. And I remember something that Mary Gaucher told me, that he said, when you write a song, if you're not scared a little bit, you're just showing off. Right? Well, this is my scared verse. Well, I've been strumming on this here guitar since I barely turned 13. Like to run my poor self ragged, chasing up and down this stream. Now I'm looking in the mirror, and I'm wondering if I see another washed-up honky-tonk picker or a Grammy nominee. Am I one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville, lost between the sawdust floor and the Opry stage? But if I ever make my mark, I'll hold a candle in the dark for all the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Yes, am I one of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville, lost between the sawdust floor and the Opry stage. If I ever make my mark, I'll hold a candle in the dark for all of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Yeah, here's to the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Oh, all of the lost sons and daughters in Nashville. Thank you so much. It's been great being here. Thanks for letting me in.